everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in a calculator, a solar powered one. So as you can see, there are Phillips head screws. There's 6 of them on this one. I already removed 4 of them. So I'm going to do this repair. Okay, so you remove them with a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get the camera to focus. Nope, cannot. And then after you remove them, you should put them somewhere where you won't lose them or forget them. So I'm gonna put it just right here. And the last one to remove. And here's the last screw. Just gonna put that over there. Now, the cover should come off like this, revealing the insides. If your calculator isn't working, you can replace the fuse over here. As you can see, my fuse, it's good. Well, I can see it. Okay. So now you want to switch over to the flathead one and carefully pry that battery out, just like that. And take the old battery and make sure that seals down there and put the new battery in. And then you put it all back together, reverse steps, and then you're done. Bye.